Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add custom Google fonts to your system.io funnels. This is a great way to make your sales funnels stand out and match your brand's unique style, giving your pages that professional, polished look that really captures attention. First things first, open your web browser and head over to system.io. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your system.io dashboard, where you can access all your funnel tools and settings. Now look up at the top toolbar of your dashboard. You'll see several navigation options there. Click on Sites, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Sales Funnels. This will take you to a page displaying all the funnels you've created in your account. From this list, find and click on the specific funnel where you want to add your custom Google fonts. This opens up that funnel's overview page where you can manage its settings and design elements. In the right panel of this page, you'll notice an option labeled Edit Page. Click on it to enter the page editor. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to customize every visual aspect of your funnel page. Once you're inside the page editor, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find various elements you can add to your page. Look for the text button and drag it onto your funnel page where you'd like to display text with your new font. After you've placed the text element, click on it to select it. This action will bring up additional customization options in the left panel. In that same left panel, navigate to the font type section. You'll see a drop-down menu right below it. Click on this drop-down and select Google Fonts from the list of options. This opens up access to Google's extensive library of fonts, giving you far more choices than the default options. Now, another drop-down menu will appear just below that selection. Click on this new drop-down to browse through all the available Google fonts. Take your time here and select the font that best matches your brand's personality and the message you want to convey. Whether you're looking for something modern and sleek or classic and elegant, Google Fonts has plenty of options to choose from. After you've selected your preferred Google font, look up at the upper right corner of the page editor. You'll see a Save button there. Click it to save all your changes and ensure your new font selection is applied to your funnel page. If you want to see how your funnel looks with the new font before publishing it live, you can click the Preview Page button, which is located right next to the Save button in that same upper right area. This allows you to check how everything appears to your visitors and make any final adjustments if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your system.io funnel with Google Fonts, making your pages more visually appealing and on-brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.